Hey guys, welcome again. In this video, you will see the top 5 Pinterest automations. So guys, as you already know, Pinterest is a great place to share ideas and interest online. And if you're tired of spending countless hours in manually managing your pinning, repinning and board management, this video is for you. Here I am going to show you top 5 curated automations for Pinterest only, so that you can automate your pin management and Pinterest board. So let's first see what are those top 5 workflows that you can use. So guys, here is the list. The first one is create Pinterest pins for every YouTube video published. Okay, so here you can connect your YouTube channel with Pinterest to share your videos on Pinterest as pins. Second one is automatically create pin in Pinterest from Facebook posts. So guys, this is another useful automation to connect Facebook with Pinterest and sharing your Facebook content to Pinterest. Third one is how to auto publish your Instagram post to Pinterest. This is really useful automation guys to connect Instagram with your Pinterest account. And another one we have how to share Pinterest pin on Facebook. So this is a vice versa automation for this. Here you can share Pinterest pin to Facebook as post. Okay, the last one is how to share WordPress post on Pinterest. So if you have a WordPress website and you want to share the content on Pinterest, you can use this automation. And guys, this video is a complete step-by-step guide of developing all these automations inside Pabbly Connect without any coding, super simply. So if you want to learn in detail all these automations, stay tuned till the end of this video.
Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can create Pinterest pin for every YouTube video published on your channel. So the idea here is that you are a business owner and you are uploading some YouTube videos related to your business on your YouTube channel on a regular basis. Now you want that whenever you upload a new video on your YouTube channel, using the details of that particular video, automatically a new pin should get created and it should be shared on your Pinterest board. For this, we need to create a connection between YouTube and Pinterest so that whenever a new video is published, automatically a new pin is created into your Pinterest account. So in order to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. To start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as YouTube to Pinterest integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to create the Pinterest pins for each and every YouTube videos that you are going to publish on your YouTube channel. For that, we are going to create an integration between YouTube and Pabbly Connect. For that, open this trigger window, choose the application name as YouTube. In the trigger event, you have to select new video in channel with the video URL. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with YouTube. Now it is asking me to choose an account. So I'm just choosing my account through which I'm going to connect my YouTube account. Pabbly Connect videos wants additional access to your Google account. Okay, so let's click on continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful, and now the YouTube account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my YouTube account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into your YouTube account. Now here you have to select your channel ID, which is automatically captured in my case. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to upload a new video just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. For that, I'll just take you to my YouTube channel. Here I'm just going to upload a new video by clicking on this create button. Click on upload videos. Let us select the files from my system. Okay, I'm just selecting any of the videos. And let's take this a boy making his science project. Okay, so we are giving the title as same, a boy making his science project, and let's give the description also as the same over here. Okay, and here we can see that the upload is complete. Let's click on next. No, it is not made for the kids. Here you have to select the video elements. I'm just skipping this step. Okay, checks next. Save or publish. So I'm just making it as public, and let's click on publish. Okay, and here we can see that the video is published, and here we can find the link also. So let's close this particular window from here. And here we can see that the video is published on our channel. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received, and in the response we can find all the details of the YouTube video that you have published on your channel. Here we can find the channel ID, its title, its description. Both of them are same just because we have given this same in our uploading time. Okay, and I'll scroll down. Here we can find the URL also. Okay, and here we can find the video URL and the published date and time. So all the details are captured in Pabbly Connect. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data is captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that, and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay. Now we want that using these details of the video, automatically a new pin should get created onto your Pinterest account. So come to this action window. Choose the application name as Pinterest. Action event as create pin. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Pinterest. Now as I am already logged into my Pinterest account also, it is asking Pabbly Connect would like to access your account. So let's click on give access over here. Authorization successful, and now the Pinterest account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged in. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged into your Pinterest account also. Now here we have to select the board name. So I'll take you to my Pinterest account where I have already created some boards, that is Pabbly, Royalson, Sigma. So I want all the pins to get created into my Pabbly board over here. So I'm going to select this Pabbly board name over here in Pabbly Connect. So as we have created a connection between Pabbly Connect and Pinterest, all the board names are captured over here. Okay, so I'm selecting my board name. Now it is asking for the image URL, title and the description. So we have already got these video details from YouTube. So we are going to map these details now one by one. Okay, let us map them. Here we have to map the image URL, come to YouTube, and here we have to find the URL. So RES1 snippet thumbnails, high URL will be the image URL. Now it is asking for the title. So come to YouTube once again, and here we have to map the title and its description also. So let us map the description, and here we have to map the link, that is the video URL. So we have also got the video URL. So we are going to map this video URL over here. So we have mapped all the details, and now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means a new pin is created into your Pinterest account. Let's check it. Here I'm just going to refresh my Pinterest account. Okay, and here we can see a new pin created, a boy making his science project. And in this way, our integration is working fine. So as we have created a connection, it is just a one-time process. Whenever you're going to upload a new video on your channel next time, automatically a new pin will get created into your Pinterest account. So in this way, our integration is working fine. So let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time, whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'm just going to my YouTube account once again, and here I'm going to just upload a new video, and let us check whether the pin gets created and it is shared on our Pinterest account or not. Let's click on upload videos, and I'm just going to select e-files. Let us select it as miniature robots this time. Okay. And I'm just giving the title as miniature robots and the description as miniature robots doing movement in sync. Okay, and let's click on next. No, it is not made for the kids. Next, 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 and visibility as public, and click on publish. Video processing. Upload complete. Okay, let's click on close. Okay, and here we can see that the video is published on our channel. Now we have to check our Pinterest account. So let's move to Pinterest. We have to just refresh this account once again. And here, even after refreshing, we can't find our new pin just because the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So we have to wait for some time. Now it's almost 5 to 7 minutes. I'm just going to refresh it once again. Okay, now here we can see that a new pin is created on our Pinterest account. I'm just going to open and show it to you. Here we can find the title as miniature robots, and here we can find the description as miniature robots doing movement in sync. And in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between YouTube and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the video that you have published on your YouTube channel, and using those details, automatically a new pin was created into your Pinterest account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between YouTube and Pinterest using Pabbly Connect.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you will learn how you can synchronize your Instagram and Pinterest account together to level up your social media marketing with the help of automation. So this automation that we are about to set up will let you create a pin in Pinterest automatically as and when you post something on Instagram. So the same media or post that you're sharing on Instagram will automatically and instantly be created as a new pin in Pinterest, so that you don't have to do any manual copy pasting of content between these two applications, and that will save a lot of your time and energy, and it will improve your productivity. So let me show you how it is going to work. So the flow of this automation is going to look like this. As and when you share a post, a media on Instagram, the same post will be created as a new pin in Pinterest automatically. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any kind of coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation. So now let's set up this automation together. So the first step to set up this automation, guys, is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. So to log in here, first of all, you have to sign up. For that, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. So after signing up, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And here you have to start setting up this automation by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, just click here on this create workflow button like this. And here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So here I have given the name to this workflow as auto post Instagram content on Pinterest as a new pin. Okay. So now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. And on this page, you will find these two things first, the trigger and the action. So our automation work on these two things. So the trigger is happening of any event and the action is the response to that trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be posting of media on Instagram, and the action would be, or the response to that trigger would be to create the same content as a new pin in Pinterest. Okay. So first of all, you have to set up this trigger. So for that, click here, and from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application. So our trigger application is Instagram. This one, Instagram for Business. Okay. And here in the trigger event, you have to select this new media posted in my account. Okay. So it will trigger to fetch the new media posted in your Instagram account. Okay. Select this. Then click on connect here. And then select add new connection. Then click on connect with Instagram for Business. Okay. So here it will show you the login window if you are not logged in. As I have already logged in my Instagram, it connected with my account. Okay. So we are now connected with my Instagram. Now we are going to fetch the most recent post that I have posted on Instagram, and with the help of the data of that post, we are going to set up this automation further. Okay. Here you can see it is asking which Instagram account you want to use. So here I have this account. This is the username. I'm selecting this. And as and when I'm going to click here on save and send test request, the most recently posted media in my account, the data of that will be fetched here in this here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and you can see the response is here like this. So we have the media URL. Okay, the username, the permanent link of the post, and here is the caption also. Okay, so now we want to create a new pin out of this content that we got in Pinterest. Okay, so for that to happen, you have to connect your Pinterest account in Actions tab. So click here on this Actions tab, and from the choose app field, you have to choose Pinterest. This is Pinterest. Okay. And in the action event, you have to select this create. So Pabbly Connect will provide you all these action steps. You can create a board, you can update a board, you can create board section, and we have many options you can see. But for now, we are using create pin because we want to create a pin here, there. Okay. Now you can click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Pinterest, and you will see it will ask for login window. So if you are already logged in, it will ask for the access to create a pin. So click on give access. That is completely safe here, and you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected with Pinterest now. So here it is asking for the board's name, the image URL, the title you want to create you want to give to a new pin, description, and all these things. So guys, you can create boards here. You can see this is my Pinterest dashboard, and here I have this board. Name of the board is Pabbly, and I have many pins here. So I want to create a new pin in this board. Okay. So I'm going to select this board from this field. Here is the board's name. And in the image URL, I'm going to map the data that we got from Instagram here in the first step. So this is the media URL I'm going to map in the second step. Okay. So to map it, you just have to click here and you will see the first step in the drop down, Instagram for Business. And when you click on it, you will find all the responses that you have fetched from Instagram just right here. Okay. So from here, I'm going to click on media URL and we have mapped the media. For the title, you can use the caption. Okay. This is the caption I have captured and I mapped it. And the description, if you want to give it a description, you can give the description manually. Okay. And right now, I don't want to put any alternative text here to be read aloud by screen readers, or for the destination link. Okay. If you want to provide a backlink to Instagram, a permanent link, you can map this permalink. Okay. Or you can leave it blank if you want. I'm posting a permalink also. Now let's check our connection if this working properly or not. So this is my board here in Pinterest. Let me check the connection. I'm going to click on save and send test request, and a new pin will be created out of the content that I've mapped in Pinterest. Okay. So you can see this is the response that I have received. Now let me check. I'm refreshing my board here. and you can see a new pin is here, which is this. Okay, this is the pin and this is the photo image. This is the permalink. You can see, you can reach my Instagram page by clicking here, and this is the caption. Here's the new post from us to you all. Okay, and these are the same things that we have mapped here, you can see. And this was the most recent post that we have captured. This was the post I'm talking about. This same post from Instagram get delivered here in Pinterest as a new pin. So this is how it is going to work in real time. So we are done setting up this automation, and guys, you have to set up this automation and to make the connections and mapping the data only once. Okay, after that you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, you just have to post anything on Instagram, and out of the same content a new pin will be created in Pinterest automatically. Okay, now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger I connected Instagram for Business and fetch the data of our most recent post like this in Pabbly Connect, and after that I connected my Pinterest account in the Actions tab and selected the board and mapped the data required to create a pin, and we have checked the connection that was working fine. Okay, and guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instant.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to automatically create pin in Pinterest from Facebook post. So the idea here is that whenever you create a new post in your Facebook account, automatically the same post should be created as a pin in your Pinterest account. So how I have done this? First, let us check this in the real time, and then I will tell you the integration process. So this is my Facebook page name Pabbly Tech, and this is my Pinterest account where I have 3 pins over here. So now I want that whenever I create a new post over here in my Facebook page, automatically the post should be created as a new pin here in my Pinterest account. So I'm just going to create a new post over here. I'm just going to select an image from my system. Okay, let us select this one. I'm just going to give the caption as Pabbly Connect Core Integrations. Okay, and now let's click on Post. And here we can see that a new post has been created. Now let us check our Pinterest account. I'm going to just refresh it. Okay, and here we can find 4 pins. A new pin has been created over here. So now here you might be wondering that I just created a new post here in my Facebook page, and automatically the same post has been created as a new pin here in my Pinterest account. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and integration process. So in order to create an integration between Facebook and Pinterest, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with Pinterest automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Facebook and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details of the post that you have created in your Facebook account. And using all those details, automatically a new pin will be created into your Pinterest account. And in this way, we will be learning that how we can create an integration between Facebook and Pinterest using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on Sign Up for Free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Facebook and Pinterest integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the details to be captured from Facebook pages. So open this trigger window and here in the application name, let us find Facebook pages. In the trigger event, we have to select new post. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Facebook pages. Authorization successful. And now the Facebook pages are connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Facebook account. Now here we have to select the page that we have created on our Facebook account from which page we want to capture the post. Okay, so I'll just take you to my Facebook account. Here I have created a page named Pabbly Tech. So let us find Pabbly Tech here in Pabbly Connect. I'm going to search for Pabbly Tech page. Okay. Now the page access token is automatically captured. We are not going to make any changes over here. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to create a new post in this particular page. So let us go to the page, that is Facebook page. Scroll down, here click on create post. Here we are just going to select a picture from my system. Okay, I have many pictures in my downloads, so I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and I'm just going to give a caption as Pabbly Connect. New integrations. Okay, and let's click on post. Okay, and here we can find that the post has been created. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect and we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the post are captured over here. Okay, I'll just scroll down. Here we can find the Pabbly Tech page name. Okay, here we can find the full picture, that is the image URL. Okay, I'll just scroll down. Here we can find the message. Okay, and along with that all the other details are also captured over here. Okay, now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately, but sometimes it may take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that. Please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. Your data will surely arrive. Okay, now using all these details, we want to create a pin into your Pinterest account. For that, come to this action window and here in the application name, let us find Pinterest. In the action event, we have to select create pin. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Pinterest. Pabbly Connect would like to, okay, so Pabbly Connect wants access. Let's click on give access over here. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the Pinterest account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Pinterest account also. Okay, so make sure before creating a connection you are logged into your Pinterest account also. Now here we have to select the board. So I'll just take you to my Pinterest account. Here I have created two boards. I'm just going to show you the boards. So the board's name is all pins and Pabbly. So I have to select this Pabbly over there. Okay, if you want to create a new board, you can create it over here by clicking on this plus sign. Okay, so I just want the post to be created in this Pabbly board. So I'm just going to map Pabbly over here. Okay, now here we have to map the image URL. So we have already got the post details here from the Facebook pages. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay, so I just scroll down. And here we are going to map the image URL. This one, full picture. Okay. Now here we have to select the title. So enter the pin's title here. The maximum character limit is 100. So I'm just going to map the title over here. And the title was Pabbly Connect new integrations. Okay, I'm just mapping the message over here. Okay. Now here we can map the description also, but remember the character limit is just 500. If you want to map alt text or link, you can map it over here. I'm just leaving it as blank, and let us click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. So now let us check our Pinterest account. Here I'm just going to open this Pabbly. Okay, and here we can find Pabbly Connect new integrations. The new pin has been created over here. Okay, so in this way we can see that our integration is working. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'll just again go to the Facebook page, and here I'm just going to create a new post. I'm just going to select the image from my system, and let us select this image right now. Okay, and I'm just going to give the caption as new use cases for Pabbly Connect. Okay, let's click on post. And here we can see the post has been created. Now let us check our Pinterest account. I'm going to just refresh it. And even after refreshing, we can't find our post just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based. So it will take time to capture the response. So let's wait for some time. Now it's almost 5 minutes. Let us refresh it once again. Okay, and now here we can find 5 pins and a new pin has been created over here. Okay, this was the same post which we have created on our Facebook account. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details related to the new post. And using all those details, automatically a new pin has been created into the Pinterest account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook pages and Pinterest using Pabbly Connect.
How to share Pinterest pins on Facebook page automatically. So let's say you have created a new pin into your Pinterest account and you want to share the same pin on your Facebook page as well. So you have two choices. Either you can manually copy each pin and then post it on your Facebook page, or you can create an automation in between these two applications in such a way that whenever a new pin is created into your Pinterest account, the same image will be shared automatically on your Facebook page as well without doing anything manually. Yes, it is possible, and if you also want to sync your Pinterest account and Facebook page, come with me and I will show you the process step by step. So this is my Pinterest account and I want to sync all these pins with the Facebook page, and for that I'll have to connect my Pinterest and Facebook page with the help of an integration and automation software Pabbly Connect. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to sign up for free, and the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kinds of amazing automation, that too every month. And I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am clicking on signing, and then I'll be clicking on access now, and this is how I will reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And after reaching here, you will have to click on this blue button, create workflow, and just provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. I am providing the name as post Pinterest pins to Facebook page automatically. Now click on this blue button once again, create, and you will find two boxes in front of you, and those are trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. Understand with an example also that whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, send an email via Gmail application. Well, according to our use case, whenever a new pin is created into Pinterest application, share the same same pin, basically share the same image to the Facebook page, basically to the Facebook application. So this is how we need to always select the applications in which we are setting up an automation. And since here I am going to connect my Pinterest account with Facebook, so that is why the trigger application, basically the first application here will be the Pinterest, and I want this automation to trigger whenever a new pin is created in Pinterest. So that is why the trigger event here will be the new pin. Now click on connect, and the idea here is we are connecting our Pinterest account with the Pabbly Connect first, so that whatever the data we are going to post it here, the same data can be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and then finally we are going to send the same data to different application, or let's say to the Facebook application. Okay, so click on add new connection, click on connect with Pinterest, and provide the access of your Pinterest account. Well, I am already logged into my Pinterest account in some other different app, so it is asking me for the access directly. Okay, so I have provided the same, and you can see the authorization is successful and my Pinterest account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking to select the board. Well, you can see into my account I have two boards, so that is why the same boards are reflected here, and here I am going to select this home decor interior designing board. Okay, now after selecting the board you will have to click on this button, and what will happen, the most recent pin which I have added to my Pinterest account will be automatically fetched out here. Okay, so let me click on this button, and here you can see the response has been received immediately, and let me even show you the details one by one. Here the title is actually the classic kitchen interior, so let me check for the same what is that pins which I have actually created. All right, so here you can see, well, why it is not loaded yet, let me first refresh it. And the title of this particular pin is actually classic kitchen interior. Let me cross check the same, and yes, it is the same, classic kitchen interior. The media type is actually image. Yes, it is the same, it is the image only. Okay, let me even check for the other details. Well, here you can see media images original URL, so I'm going to copy and paste it here into the new tab, and I'll show you it is the same image of the Pinterest account. All right, so this is how we have all the details into the Pabbly Connect. So the first step of our automation of our integration is actually done. Now I am going to send the same data to my Facebook page, and for that I'll have to select Facebook here. All right, so here you can see where are the Facebook pages. Okay, here it is, and in action event I'm actually interested in creating a page photo, let's say. So I will go with that, and then click on connect, click on add new connection, connect with Facebook page, and again you need to provide the access of your page. Okay, so your Facebook ID, so I have provided the same. And here you can see the authorization is successful, and your Facebook account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect, and whatever the pages are available into my Facebook account have started visible here. Let me even show you all the pages section. Okay, click on close. Okay, I'm going to close it, and this is the pages. These are the pages of my Facebook account. Okay, let me show you. And here you can see I have several pages, and all these pages are also visible here into the Pabbly Connect. And in this video I will go with this home decor page which I have already opened in this particular tab. So let me search for the same home decor. This is the page on which I would like to share all the Pinterest pins. Okay, you'll have to keep the page access token as it is. Now finally it is asking for the photo URL and the description that you would like to post on the Facebook page. So I don't need to manually add any details. Remember, we have just received the data in the previous step. I just need to map this data here in these fields, and don't worry, I don't need to copy and paste it manually. When you will click on this particular field, read the instructions, enter text or map data, and it is saying insert the data from the previous step. So yes, I am going to search for the URL, and this is my image URL which which I have even shown you, and it is asking for the description. Again, the description also I am going to map from the previous step only. And how about I want to fetch, I want to post the same title only on my Facebook page. And you must be thinking, what is this mapping which I am repeating again and again? So whatever the details you will map here will be replaced automatically in the real time. Yes, what will happen whenever a new data will arrive here, basically whenever a new Pinterest post will arrive here in the Pabbly Connect, that data will replace this value automatically because we have mapped these values. If we will add these details manually, these details will remain same, will not change. Okay, so make sure if you want to keep on changing any value, make sure you map these values, those values. Okay, click on save and send test request and go back to your home decor page, and this is the recent post. Basically it has posted on the 29th September. Come back here, waiting for the response. All right, fingers crossed. And here you can see the response has been received. Let me refresh my Facebook page as well and see whether I am getting that same pin on my page as well or not. And yes, you can see the same post has been added here also automatically without doing anything manually. Okay, so what exactly I did, I have just created an automation inside Pabbly Connect, and with the help of this automation, the post has been synced. Basically the Pinterest pins has been synced automatically with my Facebook page. So let me check this particular automation whether it is working in real time or not. So I am going to add one more pin here into my Pinterest account. So here I'm going to create a new pin in front of you, and let me upload a nice image on my home decor board. Okay, so where is that nice image? Let me search for the same. Okay, so how about I post this home office image and assume that I have designed this workspace recently, and I'm going to share the same on my Pinterest as well as with my Facebook page audience as well. And how about I post a random thing here? Okay, so creating your home office is not just creating your home office is not like decorating cubicle at work. It should be a fun and enjoyable. So I'll be clicking on this save button, and you will see the same pin will be shared to my Pinterest account. Okay, you can see saved to home decor interior designing. All right, now I will wait for some time and will check whether the same post is actually posting on the Facebook page or not. Now why I am going to wait for some time, because here you can read the instructions. This trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. So what Pabbly Connect will do, it will check for the new data in every 10 minutes in from the Pinterest account, and if it will find any data, it will capture the data here and then it will post the same data on Facebook immediately. So make sure whenever you are posting anything, if that particular thing is not being posted in few minutes, don't bother. It will definitely posted in next few minutes or maybe in next 10 minutes. So let me also wait for that. Okay, so I have paused this video and waited for 10 minutes, and let me go back to my Facebook page and refresh this home decor page to see whether the image has been posted or not. Okay, fingers crossed. And yes, you can see it is the same image. Creating your home office is not like decorating cubicle at work. It should be a fun and enjoyable. So did you notice that how did I manage to post my Pinterest post directly to the Facebook page with the help of an automation software? And it is just a one-time process. Yes, creating this automation inside Pabbly Connect is just a one-time process. Once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And in case you want to clone this workflow, I'm going to add this shareable link into my description box, from where you can clone the same workflow into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. You just need to sign up into the Pabbly Connect account, which is again free, absolutely free.
Hello everyone, today we will learn how to share new WordPress post on Pinterest. Now if you have created a post on your WordPress website and you want the same post to be created in Pinterest as well, so you don't need to do that work manually over and over again, because you can create an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect to do this work easy and in a simple way. In this integration, our trigger will be the new post published in WordPress and our action will be that created pin in Pinterest. Let us learn how to do it. So let us learn that how can you create Pinterest pins every time you upload a new post in your WordPress account. So we will be creating this automation with the help of Pabbly. Let us quickly sign in into our account so that I'll reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation today. Click on Access Now, that is given under Pabbly Connect, and then you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can see a big blue button on your right side where it's written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow that you are going to create. I'm going to name it as Share WordPress Post as Pinterest Pins. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you, like you can see on your screen. One box has trigger and the other has action written over it. Now trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever in your trigger application, when this trigger takes place that you are going to choose over here, the action application will perform or do this action that you will be assigning right here. So the trigger application for today's workflow is going to be WordPress, because once you create a post in your WordPress account, automatically action application, that is Pinterest, will create a pin for that. So the trigger event is going to be new post published. Click on the event and then Pabbly Connect will provide you this webhook URL which you are going to use to integrate WordPress and Pabbly Connect. Follow these instructions. We are going to perform them right now. So go to your WordPress account. First of all, you have to go to plugins, that is given over here in your left side panel, and go to add new. After you reach here, you see a keyword search plugins over here. Type WP webhook over there and let it go for a search. It will come up with this WP webhooks that's given to your right. Create powerful automation workflows directly within WordPress. You see it's already installed in my account. Yeah. And you have to install it before you can connect or follow these instructions over here. Once this is done, then now go to settings over here, and because you have installed it already, it will be visible over here in the last section of your settings. Click on WP webhooks and then it will open up. So you have to click on send data here on the top. After send data is opened over here, you will be having all the trigger list that you might have created earlier in your account. So you have to scroll down in your panel here, left side, post created. So all the triggers that have been applied over here for creating a post are visible to you. Now click on add webhook URL, that's given right over here. And then name this webhook. So I'm going to name it as, this is the name. And in this section, you have to copy this URL given in your workflow in Pabbly Connect and paste it right here. Once you do this, click on add for post create and a new webhook will be added over there. So now this is added. Now you have to do one more setting. Scroll down and come to the end to the newly created webhook by you. Go to these three dots menu, settings, and then you have to select at what action or what event this webhook is going to work. So select post, it has to work on a post and the post has to be published. So post published is the event, and then you will come down and click on save settings. So by clicking on save settings, you have completed your instructions, see over here, and now Pabbly Connect is waiting for a response. So now you have to create a post. So click on new post, and remember that this time you have to create a post along with the picture, because you have to create a pin in your Pinterest account, which is a very much requirement of a picture. Now I'm going to give it a title. This is my title, this is my content, and then I have to add a picture as well that I have already downloaded in my account or my system. So you scroll down and come to this bottom right corner over here where it's written set featured image. So click on the set featured image. It will provide you a big list of all the pictures that have been here. So I'll go to upload files because I'm going to select a file from my computer, and this is the one I'm selecting. Open it, let it load. And then when this option is available, set featured image, click on this button on your bottom right corner. It's here. Click on the button and then your image will be featured. See, it's featured over here.
Once this is done, you have to check that yes, the title is done, the content is done, and the picture is also done. So click on publish, that is given to your right. You have to wait for the response over here in your Pabbly Connect. See, we have the response over here. All the details are here. If you scroll down, you will find all the things that you have entered while creating that post. What does the moon stands for? This is the title. Then we have the content, and then you will be having a thumbnail link that is going to be the link for your picture that you will be using to enter in the image URL section of your Pinterest. It's here. This is the post thumbnail. So now when this is done, which means that our response has been successfully captured, now we will move on to our action application, that is Pinterest. So enter your application as Pinterest. And your action event is going to be create a pin, connect, add new connection, and connect with Pinterest. It will automatically detect. You just have to give access so that Pabbly Connect can give command to Pinterest to create the post with the information that this workflow has received from the trigger application. So now you have to select your board section ID, and other details that are generally required to create a pin in your Pinterest. So the board is there. You go to your account and then you will see the boards that have been created over here. I'm going to select this new board right here. So the board is selected already. Then the board section ID. If you have a board section ID, then you can select that. If you don't have it, just map it and leave this field open. Now you're supposed to map the details. How are you going to map? When you click on any empty field in your action application window, then you will see it will ask you to insert data from your previous step. So in that case, you will be given this drop-down menu that has the list of all the responses that you have received from your trigger application. So you just have to either scroll down and find your content, or you can just type in your search and map data, what are you looking for? For example, we are looking for an image URL, and we just discussed that the thumbnail link is the one that we have to enter over here. So just type thumbnail and see over here content uploads, and this is the name of the picture. So you just click there and this is the name of that picture. So the link is correct. Now in case of title, so again type in the search and map data, what does the moon stands for? This is the title. The description is the content. So type over here, and the moon signifies and all that detail is over here. So everything else is here, nothing else is left over here. Also check for the required fields. Image and title was the required field that we have successfully filled. No other required field is left empty. You can also fill the alt text and image link as per your requirement, but we don't require it right here in this workflow. Click on save and send test request and wait for the response from Pinterest. And here the pin has been created. Okay, so now scroll down and check for any error. If there is any error, you can correct it then and there. If it does not have any error, save this workflow over here and then go to Pinterest to check that have we created a pin over here. Refresh it again. And over here you can see this is the picture we just uploaded and this is the content over here, which means that we have successfully created a post. So just do a quick recap that our trigger application was WordPress. We created a new post. The event was new post published, and the action application was Pinterest, where we created a pin. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped.
Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.